our DNA DK15 Jetwing upgrade kit, Optimus Prime upgrade kit. Here's the packaging right here, DK15 Jetwing upgrade kit right here. Pretty sick right here. Here's the packaging right here. Side right here. The accessories that it comes with right here, in the back right here, and right here. As you can see, it is right there. I took it out of the box, but off camera. But there's the figure next to the box right here, again right here, and here's his guns right there. Those aren't the actual guns he comes with, but are right there. This is the original version. It's not the actual version. Let me get the new version of the guns. Here's the new version with the guns right here. And here he is next to the packaging right here, looking pretty sick right here. Let's take a look at this figure. Cool accessories that it comes with. First, let's get him with the jetpack though. Let's get this guy with the jetpack. So I'm not going to do this on camera, but you do have to get the original one, original jetpack from the previous one, and attach the wings onto here. But I'm not going to do that on camera because it's so hard to attach them. But anyway, you can get the jetpack, new jetpack upgrade kit, and you can put the paint on this. Let's get to attach it now. The guns are pretty simple as well, but. And I'll just show it off actually. The guns, what you do is you get, it's a little bit tricky to do so, but I'll just show how you attach one of them. But what you do is you unfold this. And you just and then it slaps on like that. Yeah, here he is with the guns, which looks sick. And right here, look at the detail on the guns. It's much more accurate than those previous ones, but they look great. And what we're gonna do for the jetpack is we're gonna grab this. You're just gonna those little groove pieces on the top. Just let's make sure everything's attached. One second, make sure everything's attached. Second, guys, this thing is so hard to attach, but dude, this thing keeps falling off. Come on. This thing's so hard to attach. There we go. I know, there it is. There he is with the jetpack on the upgraded kit. And there it is right there. Let's back up the camera because this guy's massive. Check this guy out. This guy looks sick right here. The new upgrade kit. You can have the wings however you want. You can even have that look from the movie. Which I think is sick. He's getting ready to fight Shockwave and the Driller. I think looks pretty dope and sick. Let me bring in my Shockwave figure now. Like we're doing with Dark and Let me bring in my Shockwave figure. Get him in the frame, but give me 1 second, guys. Bring in Shockwave. Bring in the knockoff Shockwave, the has Shockwave. And here's how these two look together. Again, right here, they both look fantastic. Again, right here. But yeah. Obviously looks sick as heck right here. There's a Sentinel Prime right here. Here's how they look together. Again, right here. Both look great together. Again, right here. And now let's take a look at the jetpack now. Take a look at all the nice detail in the jetpack and the figure itself. Here are the guns right here, which look fantastic. Let's take a look at the back of the jetpack. Let's take a look at the back of it. Look at that nice detail in the blue and red, all that nice detail. This looks fantastic. This looks incredible. And the way all the poses you can get this guy into with the jetpack. And you know, this guy just looks incredible. I really like how this guy looks. He just looks fantastic. Get these things positioned right. yeah, you know, this thing looks incredible. This guy just looks amazing. Just look at how this guy looks. Again, right here. This guy's huge and massive, but just look at this guy. There's all the nice detail on the gun things at the form of the arms. I mean, you gotta make sure that they're pegged in like that, but still, they look incredible, and this thing is just massive. Look at this thing. If you compare this version compared to one of the other versions, let me get the previous one. I can get a comparison. Let me just get like the normal knockoff version. I mean, they're kind of similar, but a little bit similar, but. Here's the knockoff versus the new with the upgrade kit. They look kind of similar, but yeah. But yeah. But yeah. And it looks incredible. Again, right here, this looks fantastic. You know, you can take off all his stuff now. We can give him all his cool accessories he comes with as well. You can take these off. They're a little tricky to take off, but one second, guys. Seems a little tricky to take off, but there you go. You can get him with all his accessories. Let's get him pegged in with some cool accessories. Let's get this guy with some of his cool accessories. Let's get him with like his swords. This guy with some swords. He comes with this upgrade kit. Get him in some pretty good pose with these swords. It's really nicely sculpturedly detailed. Again, right here. The swords look great. Again, right here. We can get him into some pretty good poses with these. The swords look fantastic, though. Again, right here. It also comes with you can have the recreate scene from Dark of the Moon where you had him with the axe. You had him with the axe and the sword when he fights Sentinel Prime. So you can recreate that scene. Again, right here. So I think is sick. I think it's pretty sick right there. And you also can reenact the comes with the knuckle dusters. I'll show off in a minute. He comes with a shield. You can have him that scene from the beginning of Dark of the Moon where he had the sword and shield. You can have him with the sword and the shield, which I think is pretty dang sick. But that looks sick right there. Look at that. That looks dope right there. Again, right here. And he also just come with the other axe, which looks sick. But yeah. It comes with another axe. 2 different axes, but this looks pretty sick. Again, right here. You can hold that if you want. I think it's pretty dope and sick. I think that looks pretty dope and sick right there. Alright, that looks pretty dope right there. And lastly, he also comes with his knuckle dusters, which you can hold as well. You get with the knuckle dusters. And here he is with the knuckle dusters, which looks sick as heck right here. Again, right here. Those both look, around his hands right here. Those both look fantastic. They both look great again right here. They both look fantastic. You can have in a ripping apart Shockwave if you wanted to. And Prime ripping at Shockwave. I don't like how the movie kills Shockwave with those. But yeah, that looks pretty sick right there. But yeah, this looks fantastic though. I really do like this upgrade kit. And then but yeah, Do you like the, and you guys have something else I'll do off camera, is installing these for the trailer, but yeah. Let's put the thing back on though, jetpack back on, because that's what I'm gonna have them displayed in. Displayed as is the jetpack. There's Prime jetpack mode. We gotta put the stuff back on now. We gotta jetpack mode. This Prime combined into jet mode. It's actually easier this time. A lot easier this time. And then let me grab the guns. The guns real quick. One second, I'm gonna have them open right. One second. I have one of them already in his hand. Look at this jet mode. This jet mode just looks fantastic. I don't know how I'm gonna have them display. Either like this, maybe, or maybe like this. I'm not too sure. Depends on my personal preference. But yeah, this thing just looks fantastic. All the nice detail on the figure and the jet mode. This looks incredible. The guns look fantastic. Get on that detail on the back. So things are positioned in right. And let's look at the back. Our nice paint work, the jetpack. Again, this guy just looks incredible. But yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video on Transformers DK15 Jetwing Upgrade Kit Optimus Prime, Dark of the Moon, and yeah, you know what? Don't forget to please subscribe, like this video, and comment next time for more. And please subscribe, like this video, and have a great day. And see you guys. Bye.